Welcome back to Tech Talk with Bill. Today we're unlocking the secrets of ServiceNow discovery architecture, all in a single powerful slide. If you want to stay ahead in the enterprise IT, make sure you subscribe right now. And for those who want to go even deeper, hit the join button to become a channel member for exclusive ServiceNow certification resources, advanced tutorials, and early access to every episode. So in this one slider walkthrough, the discovery architecture demystified. So from the far left, you will have the ServiceNow instance. This will be your cloud command center that orchestrates all discovery logic and workflows. While the mid server in the middle, it secures outbound only agent in your network that executes discovery tasks safely. Now, on this on-premise environments, the CMDB or Configuration Management Database, all of this will be populated in the ServiceNow CMDB. The heart of it all stores every discovered asset, map the relationships, and maintains data integrity or identification and reconciliation engine. Now, the ACCQ, so it's the way that it communicates with the mid server that handles reliable, secure communication between ServiceNow and your network. So starting from the top left, which is the ServiceNow instance, working your way down to the mid server, tracing how discovery request scans both on-premise and cloud environments. So as it collects CI data in return to the mid server and populates back to the CMDB. So the flow emphasizes how this architecture automates asset management, eliminates blind spots, and enables real-time, accurate IT visibility across hybrid environments. If this breakdown is giving you those aha moments about how ServiceNow discovery really works, smash that like button and want to help keep these deep dives coming. There's a donate button below. Every bit supports more detailed real-world scenario content for you and also the community. So in my next video, I will share with you discovery architecture flow in detail, but on a high level. So ServiceNow starts with a scan through the mid server and sweeps your networks and cloud environments for devices and services. And it has a classifier where the probes determine what type of each CI. Is it a server, a database, an application, or a network device? So these protocols on the left allow ServiceNow to communicate the correct communication channel on each particular CI. So after identifying the correct protocol and the CI, the sensors pull detailed hardware, software, and configuration information. And it all goes back now to populate the CMDB, all discovered data flows into the Configuration Management Database with proper relationships. So why does it matter to you? So this phase approach means nothing gets missed. Your CMDB becomes the single source of truth, and you're ready for audits, change management, or incident response at a moment's notice. It builds an automated asset inventory, no more manual spreadsheets or outdated documentation. It provides real-time dependency mapping, faster change impact analysis, and incident response. It gives you a full picture of the hybrid environment coverage, complete visibility across on-premise and cloud infrastructure. Standardized data model, giving you consistent, reliable data for all IT workflows through the CMDB. And as you do continuous discovery, your environment stays up to date automatically. So that's ServiceNow discovery architecture decoded on a single slide. If this has helped you understand how Discovery populates your CMDB and provides complete IT visibility, subscribe for more enterprise tech breakdowns. And if you want to take your ServiceNow expertise to the next level, join as a member for exclusive content or support the channel with a donation. It helps me keep delivering the in-depth tutorials you love. Please drop your ServiceNow discovery questions on CMDB experiences in the comments. I read every one of them, often use them for future episodes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more ServiceNow Mastery.